Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money on Pinterest. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking to monetize your Pinterest activity? In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. First, we'll talk about creating a business account. This is important because it will allow you to access features that are essential for monetizing your Pinterest activity. Once you have a business account, you can then convert your personal profile to a business account. Next, we'll cover creating pinnable images. Pinterest loves images, so it's important that your pins are visually appealing and easy to repin. You can use Canva or PicMonkey to create high-quality images for your pins. We'll then move on to joining relevant group boards. Group boards are collaborative boards where multiple users can pin content. This is a great way to reach a wider audience and get more eyes on your pins. Finally, we'll discuss promoting your pins. One way to do this is with Pinterest promoted pins. Promoted pins are ads that appear in users' feeds and are targeted to specific keywords and interests. You can also promote your pins organically by using effective keywords and hashtags, as well as creating compelling descriptions and titles for your pins. To get started with promoted pins, you'll need to create a Pinterest Ads account. Once you've done that, you can create a promoted pin campaign and start targeting your audience. Pinterest offers a variety of targeting options, so you can really narrow down who sees your promoted pins. We'll also explain why you need a business account and how to convert your personal profile to a business account. We'll cover the benefits of having a business account, such as access to analytics, the ability to promote pins, and creating rich pins. We'll also take a look at how to create pinnable images, and the importance of having visually appealing and easy to repin images on Pinterest. We'll also touch on why Pinterest loves images, and how to make sure your pins stand out on the platform. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to start making money on Pinterest today. Whether you're using promoted pins or utilizing the power of group boards, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your Pinterest activity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information.